We have more detailed maps of Mars than we do of our ocean floor. This was a stat that I heard a lot before I came out on this ship, the EV Nautilus, a seafloor mapping ship. And as someone who loves space, I was interested in kind of learning more behind this. How detailed are our maps of Mars? And what's the big challenge with getting more detailed maps of our oceans? Well, no surprise, it comes down to the thing that we have a lot of and Mars doesn't. That's water. Because Mars isn't covered in water, it could be scanned completely with something called laser altimetry, using laser pings that go down towards the surface, bounce back up, and we can measure a lot and understand a lot about the planet because of that. Lasers cannot go through more than about 100 meters of water, meaning we can't use the same tool to be able to scan our ocean floor. For reference on how deep it is, you can see back here, this is what we're mapping beneath us right now on the seafloor. And it shows that we are at 5,271 meters deep right here. Light cannot get through that amount of water. That's why it's so dark at the bottom. But sound can. And that's why we're using multi-beam sonar to be able to do this. And sonar, sound, is really great in detail, but you have to be up close to be able to do it. You can't do it from way up on a satellite. The Mars Global Surveyor made huge progress in mapping the Martian surface, sending down more than 500 million pings of lasers down to the Martian surface to be able to give us a great detailed map of its topographic features. In 2014, the USGS put out the most detailed map to date of the Martian surface, which included a ton about its geology. Because we've also been able to send tools aside from laser altimeters that were able to give information about the upper crust of the Martian surface, its potential mineral structure, and so much more. And hey, you can also take direct pictures of the Martian surface, where we can't really take direct pictures of the seafloor. So all this combined means that Mars is definitely winning the mapping race, because we're only 27% mapped of our seafloor with high-resolution tools like what we have here on Nautilus. Although we've been making great progress, this number has gone up a lot in recent years. We still have a long way to go.